sound, the Lord has come, the Savior promised long. Let every heart prepare a throne, and every voice a song. He comes, the Son of righteousness, to roll earth's clouds away, and make its desert wilderness bloom in eternal day. He comes, the prisoner to release, in Satan's bondage held. The gates of death before him burst, sin's binding fetters yield. He comes, the broken heart to bind, the wounded soul to cure, and with the treasures of His grace to enrich the humble poor. Our glad hosannas, Prince of Peace, thy welcome shall proclaim, and heaven's eternal arches ring with